Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwoni, they congratulate the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki for defeating Pastor Saige Ize-Iyamu for appeal court. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Stanley. Enjoy the video.
A great good morning to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. that remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwoni, the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stanley Sadi Enterprise, in fact the CEO of Woman Edo State, as you rightfully call me. I must confess to the fact that, in fact, with the comment I'm seeing here, I think our people are really expecting much. In fact, I've not started the video. I've seen lead comments coming from different segments, and I want to quickly use the opportunity to assure you all that when a man, let me use this as an example, when you have headache, there is no way you can function properly. If you function properly, it's as a result of the fact that you have excessive strength. But when you cure yourself of headache or any cancer of the body, you can better function expeditiously. So now, I strongly believe that there are still one more litigation and hurdle to cross by the Obaseki administration, which is the Supreme Court in itself. I'm here with my brother, with a friend who would like to show on camera. He's here with me. He's a Togberian as well. Ardent one of that.
Close to you people.
Yeah.
We are on it already.
Yeah. So, definitely, when these hurdles are on ground, at least to some extent, the need to cure them properly has become so important. So I know, and I can authoritatively assure you all that Edo is going to witness more massive development as it used to be. Now, I saw a comment yesterday on my wall. Somebody said, I traveled to Edo State, there is nothing on ground. I was shocked, and I agreed to some extent. That is to tell you that what the previous administration were telling you while you were in abroad might not be true. If you say there is nothing on ground, that's to say we are not being sincere to ourselves. Let's purge ourselves of hate. Let's purge ourselves from political activities. Let's be factual when analyzing issues that borders on public concern. As we speak, in the past, nobody goes to Iriri, nobody goes to Awogba, nobody goes to Obasaku, nobody goes to Oke Oroma, nobody goes to Obayato and the rest to get a property. But as we speak today, a plot of land 100 by 100 in Awogba, Obasaku, Iriri is more than 3.5 million naira. Why? If you see the roads in those areas, it's enough to attract economic development, and people have taken an advantage of such to ensure speedy development. Well, check these things, they're on ground. As we speak today, if you empower the people, if you give opportunity to the people, believe you me, the resultant will be efficacious. Now, today, virtually all Edo people now have access to the certificate of occupancy. And for those who have received it, they are not sleeping with their two eyes closed. In the past, many Edo people refused to buy a single land in Edo because they know that CDAs are coming to beat them, allow their mate to cake on site, take over the land, sell that land to multiple persons, although it still exists, but to a barest minimum, apart from those who are willing to condole it. Let's take an example. Somebody came to your land, told you, leave that place, and you actually left. You went back to go and be begging the person without taking appropriate action. The person will continue. Nobody that will receive a call from the commissioner of police or from even the government house, no matter who he is, he or she will run away from that land for as long as he knows or she knows that they are perpetuating illegality. So when you keep calm to say, they will be pumping. They will be pumping because you are begging. You cannot beg for what rightfully belongs to you. As we speak today, and those in the diaspora, many of you can attest to this fact. Don't record development to road network alone, despite the fact that massive construction work is going on in the road. Now, when you build school, education infrastructure, good road network, without sensitization and empowerment of the people, believe me, the people are coming back to destroy those things because they are not aware, they are not being sensitized. As we speak today, for those who are conversant with Al Jazeera, CNN, go and get details of the lady mechanics and go and get details of what is happening in the Edo Training Center, where people now learn how to be self-sufficient. Now, by the power of God Almighty, as we speak today, I am into CFO and I'm into real estate and survey. Members of the opposition today who vehemently criticized the Obaseki administration are into CFO. I am being employed by Edo people worldwide. I am being employed by Edo people worldwide. So I cannot ascribe your value to others. No. My employment is from you. It is fine and it is the truth. But the truth of the matter is still simple. An enabling environment has been created for you to now have access to your properties. Now let's take an example. If you check the 7-point agenda of the Umaru Musa led administration, Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, the 7-point agenda of the Umaru Musa Yar'Adua's administration, believe me, in the 7-point agenda, they talked about placing Nigeria on the right pedestal as one of the most developed 20 economy of the world in the year 2020, and it was achieved despite the fact that today the administration that came into being at the national level meandered from what is obtainable, and the blueprint of what the Yar'Adua led administration orchestrated. The blueprint of what the Yar'Adua led administration orchestrated. Excuse me 1 minute. Yeah. Excuse me, please. I'm getting some foil, you know. Wallahu. Take. Now, as of today, the cost of fuel price, we protested for subsidy. In fact, we were at the forefront of the struggle. The cost of fuel price under the tutelage of the Jonathan administration was 87. When Obasanjo was leaving power, he increased the fuel price to about 97 or 87, if I'm not mistaken. Yar'Adua returned and returned back the fuel to 65 naira per litre. Was at today, I'm buying a fuel now at a cost of 175 per litre. The truth of the matter is simple. Those who have been looking for ample opportunity to get at the government may be using this as an opportunity. But the point being made is very clear. You cannot be fighting a cancer at the same time. See, in a state such as this, it is the collective responsibility of everyone to work towards the development of our states. You cannot sit at home and be identifying problems. Those who criticize this administration in the past are one of the major men doing the CFO today. That is to tell you that the administration has created indirect employment. And are you aware that indirect employment pays more than direct employment? Indirect employment pay field work. Now let me give a classical example. Those who is sitting in the office, in the GIS office, AC 24 hours, soft, they have limitations. But those who are in the field, the laborers, like us, despite the fact that we have limitations as well, but there are big differences. So for those who are doing the same job, they have no right to criticize the Obaseki administration. The reason is that they are not benefiting immensely. The CFO started today. CFO started in 1978 by the then Obasanjo administration. Under the tutelage of Lucky Igbeneghu, CFO was as cheap. But when this set of people criticizing today came into being, nobody was able to have access to the CFO. In fact, Community Development Association consolidated their grip on power on the basis of the fact that this administration created a sustainable template for them to strive. Ipso facto. But as of today, as the then chairman of economic team of that administration, he is not the governor of the state as at then, but already identified the problem in respect to land reform. And when he was given the opportunity to become governor, he went immediately to land in collaboration with the Benin monarch. Omonoba Nedu Ukwa Bolopolo Obaewari II Watope. They collaborated together. Good morning. See, 999. They collaborated together. And as of today, even if we have not gotten perfection, we are near perfection. We are near perfection. It is a gradual process. I see one Kelly Likabi, what's the name? I know it's a prosy account anyway. He has been commenting one thing: Two-Face, Two-Face, Two-Face. Somebody's name is Two-Face, Two-Face Idibia. I know where you are coming from, sir. I know you are not a member of APC. You are a member of PDP from a camp that is in Usakwino holding as a rival. I am not your rival, bro. I am not your rival, bro. I am only doing my things in my own way. I have never come out on media to attack anybody since after the elections. Even when we are still doing the elections, I was engaging in a campaign to ensure that my party emerged. I never engaged in a campaign of calumny. I am not against you, my dear brother. You have a right to your own opinion. You have a right to do whatever you choose to do. In fact, you have a right to fight anybody you wish to fight. But the only issue I'm having is kindly fight it alone. Kindly fight it alone. I am Osakweno Holding. I am more than 18 years of age, and the average age for one to be considered as an adult is 18. So by now I should be able to take responsibility for my actions. As we speak today, I do businesses with both APC, PDP, APGA, any party whatsoever. And you will not expect, I am repeating this online for everybody to know. You will not expect me to continue enmity with anybody. Even in the election, there was no enemy. We were fighting for interest. And the governor recently said something when he met with Oshomole in Edo North. They saw themselves. He said, I have no issue with Oshomole. If the man I support have no issue with Oshomole, am I the one having issue with him? If the man that I supported have no issue with Oshomole, am I the one that will not have issue with anybody? My dear brother, you have a right to your own. Do it the way it suits you. You can continue your enmity, hate people. It is your right. After all, you're still above 18. I have no right whatsoever to tell you what to do. I am only doing my own. If my own is not favorable, I should be the one to bear the consequences, not you. I did a survey on one land in Aruogba, at Iriri, 50 by 100 last week. The guy when I do that C of 04, why I do that survey for, sorry. Now me and that guy made for media the day when they attack 5K. I rubbish that guy for media. Now that guy, if you see if you watch my video on the daily basis, where I went to say we are right at Iriri community now, and if the video they made, I carry the guy and come out. Bros, he said you are a great guy, we believe in you. That guy, me and I get issue for election because my guy 5K, my friend. But the guy said get the belief. Say election when this work of survey come for you, that's when me wrong. Hello sir, what do you have for? Where you? Bros, I do. Bros, I do one for them. My man said my man that reason as a go. Enwa lu. Enwa alu. Enwa low. So my dear brothers and sisters, believe me, no matter as anybody love you rich, nobody will know if he forget for life. Nobody will know if he forget for life if he die. Don't let anybody deceive you, say you are too special. The world did not pause when Michael Jackson died. As famous as Michael Jackson, the world not pause, say now Michael Jackson is dead, pause the world. No, life goes on, man. So I have a responsibility to protect my own. Nobody have a right. Hello, boss. My will check what about we are reading my wedding now. We'll be there in the jiffy. All right. Nobody. So let everybody know this. Nobody will know if you forget. Not let anybody deceive you. Say you will say, oh my brother, don't worry. Now let me give an example. In the year 1995, I lost my father. As I lost him, one man come our house. Then my father friend. He said, oh, little Lord. Little Lord. We can't remember who caused the cry anymore. He said, I'm going to pay the school fees of Stanley from GSS 1 to SS3. Because I did GSS 1 then, something like that. If I'm not mistaken. Bros, now only one time we pay. I never knew we are wicked. Boy. Somebody say River State is already developed. Do you know how much is getting to River State? Do you know what successive governments have done in River State? There's a difference between consolidation and foundation. More than they use live video now. There's a difference between consolidation and foundation. You know how many things government got to do for River State? Are you aware that River State was a former British town? The flyover in River State was built by the British government. Abba. More than nothing, see, now, the money that comes out from River State alone as an IGRO, in fact, they're not even they use the money where they use it where River State supposed to beat. No, which Abuja safe. Let me give you a European country, European state, Catalan. So just leave that story. The truth of the matter is very simple. We all have senses. My dear brothers and sisters, I am an ardent supporter of Obaseki, but I'm not a fully supporter of Obaseki. Understand the two language. I am an ardent supporter of Obaseki. I am not a fully supporter of Obaseki. So for those who are overzealous, because you are soliciting for something that you want to get, you can continue. Like me, I'm not saying I'm going to solicit or waiting I want to get to. Not like I won't come out here to deceive you. Say I'm just fighting alone. If they give me an appointment, I will not take. I will just throw it away. I will say I love Edo people. I want to do it. I don't know. I didn't say that. If they give me an appointment, I will take and I will act within my best of ability to make sure, say, at the end of the day, you go say, the time was what did they do? It will deliver. I have left a timeless footprint in the sand of time in so many places. Go and ask. I did president in my school till date. Go and check if anybody has beaten that record. I did vice chairman of my community. Go and confirm if I have ever one day slapped a developer. This man is a developer in my territory. He's a Togberian.
That's true.
You came to build in the area where I did my vice chairmanship.
Yes.
Have you ever seen me molesting anybody right from my time in position?
Not at all.
Have you ever seen me commit to
Never sold any land for 2 persons once.
So, my dear brothers, I have my own integrity to protect. Randomly go to my community, go and ask.
Hello? Okay.
I try to do what is right, not because somebody is looking at me. Somebody did something against me, so we were discussing about the issue. Then I said yesterday, when we were together, I said, I thought when somebody give me something, I go give them back. I can't say, may not be like saying, when you test me. I told him, I said, you were not sincere. Because if you are sincere, you were thinking the person wants to test you. Act without thinking that somebody is testing you. Be your real self. Not say you say, I want to do the good now because they try and want to test me. No, I cannot come here to pretend. No, and I'm not coming here to tell you that I'm better than anybody, or I'm telling you that I am better than the next man. No. My own self, they my body. Me self, they fail in some areas.
I'm not perfect.
And they fail in some areas. So me, I say na me sabi pass, other people not sabi. Na lie. My own self, they my own body. Many of those same people where you see, so who not get this one, get that one, who not get that one, get this one. They get where they foresee better pass me. Where me not even feel near. If only me get all, no need for any other person to do the word. The word for only me before me only me one. A system is the collection of parts or events that can be seen as a single whole thing due to the interdependent and interactions of those parts or events. No man can stand alone. No monopoly of ideas. Now my own I know. I don't know the next man. Where me to say me no rich. Now there's some people who start. I'll say now maybe you're going to hold it. I too know. Let me know this will be the end of my no. Now that time those people just start. They no pass that one and stand. I bet they will no pass those one. Person when they beat for fight. Now who believe say go fit beat everybody. And I kind of war. You also know so on act then you go rest. But I'm not vex for what happen, not vex. You're back where they go. You can't beat everybody. Everybody men and men who dies in war. Why hero live to tell the story? He go say 2003. Now some men gather, they run at this. The boss come and say, in 2015, they come and say, boss, what you come up with 2003 now? Where that guy now? Go say, oh God, blessed memory of Firmino Polanco. As I tell him, say, Firmino, move.
Yeah.
He said, no, he wants to do one or two. Now some people come out for back, they all give up. Firmino, hey, Firmino, 3% of Firmino. The series go up. But we not wait for Firmino. If I match your shoe, Baka, you say, what you don't match my shoe? I said, sorry, problem not there. But if I match your shoe, Baka, you say, what you don't match my shoe? I say, you know me. Now maybe your sack will not walk. Now that hand when me raise, now that's the problem they start from. The other man don't agree. Why sorry they have heavy to talk? Why? Why sorry they heavy to talk? Everybody they claim too big. No, if they say Nigeria is the poverty capital of Africa, as the case may be. But on a daily basis for Facebook, everybody where they are rich men. Who be the poverty?
You subscribe.
Yeah, everybody, listen now. Everybody, they say Nigeria is the poverty capital. People not get money. Who not even get money will come on social media. In 1 minute, believe saying get. My brother, I not get. While I'm winner, when they give me work, I not get. Make everybody come and agree to who you really be. If they nyagbe, Emma will go wow. Everybody, if you see people for you, they wonder where is the poor people there in this country. Everybody they assume. Nobody can go to social media. The right say their name now Sakunokudi, Usakmama. Now few. You see them Stevenson, Quality, Shin him sing, when him sing. No one they say more sack when or what they. Or may they use their Benin or traditional name, take proud. You are not lost in your culture because someone want to take it away from you. No, you are lost in your culture because you no longer ascribe value to your own culture. They break in the morning. American pikin come and they say, or British son come and say, Daddy wanna eat, Daddy wanna. You say shit. You will be African and say shit. See this pikin they speak English. You don't understand any language. If Fisherman come and say, Biano nano na futa gola, or Binima come and say, Mama Femba me, someone me, you don't need you see. You say, where was Zepu? Where was Zepu? You want Pikin to speak British language, but you know what man speak your own. Where was Zepu? You think say the British must have been speaking English? No, now in language they speak. One day a day motto. We they go. As one boy want pay the money for transport. He should come for pocket. I said, bro, bring money, come on. He can't go bring. But I don't know whether a Dutchman dead. Now go ask the guy, say, bros, which kind of money see be this again? For this guy to just tell me, say, see the money. He just bust out. He got a laugh. Say to the worry, you don't know this money. I say, I don't know. He said, you dey fail. I said, bros, tell me now. He said, this one a Dutchman. I said, why you dey laugh me? I want to know. No Nigerian money. That is the reason why you see people today. Abroad, you should not cause war. Women will say, oh, we may not rasta da. No Jenny. Eto work colleague. She is struggling. He is struggling. When you wear the eyes of the town, you go put them for unnecessary pressure. Those who are now want to try to meet up with you, they don't turn them to money making machine. They are no longer taking care of themselves. They are not taking care of people back home. And people back home are now lazy. This is not my topic, but at least to some extent, let's call a spade a spade. Let's call a spade a spade. If we must fix this country or this state, we must first of all stop pretense. Our stop, eh? You cannot be pretending. In the form of a go, you don't get anything. Omego, my dear brothers, see, when they grow, they come. That's why they come. Now when they come for area, if I address you, go hey. If you told me outside and when I'm not in my pocket, they can't go take free wear long sleeve with it. Long sleeve, we want to wear palm slipper, don't they move. The very day when I go Captain Osa, then one man come out. I never know I never know Captain. But we did the birthday. Now, Honorable E.G. Albonaim and I carry us go to our birthday. As we did the birthday, as one man come out, you see the way the man say dress. Now go meet and say, good evening, Captain. I go to greet him. Then the man say, I'm not Captain. When Captain come make statement, Captain wear polo. He talking now for pants. He wear normal shoe. Now they say now Captain. Everybody say Captain, Captain, Captain. Oh no, Captain. Oh no, Captain. May you have to get Captain, I greet you. The real Captain will be Captain. He live his simple life. That was the first day I met Captain in his house. Before we going to go in house like saying our backyard in the past. But the papers will not get Kalumba. What to show? Say, may they say I get that. My brother, another man money na picture. Another man money na picture. Now your money die. Keep her for you and your family. If you want a extend gesture, help. Not to do one for me. Now your money, you not get you will do a reach where you go tell me my own. Another my own na picture. Come on again, now my salary. So, for those who want development of the state, not only think of make them do the road. If you do the road, do the street light. Now, there was street lights in the door. Where are the street lights today? People they lose self, they go to collect ball. Motor go jam iron because you don't drink.
No, replace them.
Go to our schools. One of the best school built was Western Boys High School. If not, the Obaseki when they resuscitate that school now. After spending 5.5 billion, you be fund then by the Shomole administration. Go and check what people did to these schools. People they go to remove Silifan. How much is Silifan? Why don't you buy Silifan you have? They will go to this school to remove Silifan. So go collect blue vase. So if you don't empower the people and sensitize them, forget those ones. When you develop it, they are coming to destroy it.
Yes, that should be continued.
The reason why America, Canada, Britain, and Europe is okay till tomorrow is that even when Nigerians are there, they compound themselves. But when they come to Nigeria, many members people to Canada, as I drive, I can just pack and peace. I can just pack and peace. I will just urinate. Nobody go say, why is the peace here? But when we go abroad, when we are in abroad, we're going to look for how they take the peace. Because people maintain the law. In Nigeria, if someone do governor, he not thief, the people will hate him. If you do governor, you not thief, people will hate you. Now the people go even tell you say, no man are goats.
No.
When governor for 8 years, or maybe enough yagwa, people is laughing at Ali.
Yes.
Ali does say, go check his anointing day. But he fought for you and I. But they want, people love to hear you up chair, up chair, up chair, up chair, up chair. People work with me. Those who work with me, they will say, we'll be your boys. They will say, shut up, you are not my boy. You are my staff. You are not my boy. Because nobody knows tomorrow for everybody shall poor. I do not pray to go there in life. But if peradventure, little opportunity come from my own because those people prefer me to give me work and I carry you for nobody. What if the pendulum change? Now your hand is on day. I mean maltreat you when it in my own hand. Can I say anything? No. So you are not my boy, you are my staff. I have no boy. I have no boy. My dear brothers and sisters, and I want to cut this video, but I want to state this clearly. As you see all this raising of soda, for me, assuming, count me out. Raising of soda, for me, assuming, proving who you never reach, count me out. You never not join. I am not here to impress anybody with my lifestyle. I am not here to show anybody who I am. I am only here to express my opinion and to live my life the way it suits me, and to put the feelings of other people into consideration. Don't come and be inciting people into jealousy. You can incite people into jealousy with your character. That's the way not the first for you before go start to the first because of your character. You say that they jealous me. No, not your character. If you don't want people to change, don't hurt them. If you don't want people to change, don't hurt them. Excuse me. Good morning.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.